Alright guys, let's go ahead and get to opening here and see what's included. First thing here is the hard drive enclosure, which apparently is harder than it looks. Just go ahead and rip it open. Alright, so pretty simple. We've got a cable, the enclosure itself, and I'm guessing instructions, but we don't really need those. Should be pretty straightforward. Slides on open, it looks like. Looks like we got a little bit of packing. I'm guessing probably if you needed a smaller drive installed or something. So this thing should be pretty much plug and play. And for any of you guys out there that are looking at hard drives or external drives or anything, you can always go ahead and buy one already pre-made, or a consumer product, or it pretty much takes no skill at all to go ahead and snap these together, and you have something that's inexpensive and the performance cannot really be beat. So we're going to go ahead and get all this put together here. Alright, slides in there, and it's got a little piece of foam here to keep everything secured. So that should be all we're looking for. And then as far as speed and stuff goes, if you guys don't know anything about a solid state drive, it's a night and day difference in your standard mechanical hard drive. And like I said before, I'm actually going to be editing off of this drive, so actually let me do a few projects at once, and then once I'm done with them, they'll go on a standard hard drive for future storage. So we'll go ahead and get this hooked up to the computer, and you'll see just how easy this thing is to get set up. Alright guys, here we are. Like I said before, pretty simple. Slid the drive in there, hooked it up. Now we went ahead and plugged it into a USB 3.0 or better port. And a nice little feature here on this drive is an actual little on-off switch. So right now it's off, and we simply go on, and we'll go ahead and let the system detect it, and we'll be right back. Alright, and one cool thing here about this little USB hub that I bought to make hooking up everything easier is that each one of the ports are actually powered with a switch. So we're going to go ahead and actually turn on our drive, and you probably went ahead and heard that little chime that the system recognized the device. Alright guys, go ahead and show you real quick what we do here. Like I said, anybody can pretty much do this. The first thing we're going to do is open up Device Manager, and this is how I just verify that the system's recognizing my device. So just start typing it, usually it'll pop up. Go ahead and select Device Manager here, and then we're going to go to Disk Drives, and we can see the Sabrent USB device has been recognized. So at least the system knows it's there, so that's the first start. We're going to go to System Management, or Computer Management it's called. So we're going to go ahead and start typing that. Go ahead and open this up here, and you guys can see. From here, go to Disk Management. Once this opens, it should see that one of the drives has not been initialized. So we're going to go ahead and initialize Disk 1. And just so you can make sure, down here where it lists your drives, you can see an unknown, uninitialized drive that should be somewhere close to the same size as the drive that you bought. In our case, we got about a 500 gig drive. So we're going to click OK. I'm going to initialize this device. I'm going to go right click on here, go to New Simple Volume, and we're going to go ahead and follow this little wizard here. We're going to assign it a letter if you'd like. I'm going to go ahead and go with a Y, mostly because this will be a drive used for all the YouTube activities. So we're going to go ahead and click Next. Most of these volumes and defaults are fine. You can go ahead and give it a name. Like I said, I'm going to go ahead and put in YouTube as the volume name. When you plug the device in, it will go ahead and pop up. And going to hit next. It's going to go ahead and format this drive, and after that you'll be able to drag and drop and store whatever you need, and once it's done formatting, we'll do a little speed test for any of you guys that are interested in seeing the numbers off this Team Group GX2 drive. And all the stuff here featured in this video too will be in the links below. So if you guys are interested or want to know more or see more about anything today, just let me know and we'll get back to you guys.